All right, ended up being a little bit late because ta-da, we're finally to the point where we can accept subs. I'm a Twitch affiliate, y'all. All right. Even got a first sub. So thank you very much, you child, for being the very first sub to my Twitch channel. I greatly appreciate it. That's incredible. All right. I mean, I guess no, I just gotta like do my job and stuff. But that is awesome. So thank you to everyone who helped make that happen. That is just the coolest. All right. All right. I don't even know what all that means right now, if I'm being completely honest. I I yeah, I just don't know. I know it means that subs I end up getting like a certain like a split 50-50 with Twitch or whatever, but the cool part is that that possibility is there. So now if I do a subathon on Twitch, people could sub and actually do stuff. So yeah, that's really stinking awesome. But there's all sorts of stuff I have to learn. Like I don't really know what I don't I don't really know what things like bits are, because bits are a thing. Bits and drops and yeah, I don't know the things yet. So that'll be interesting. We'll figure it out though. But yeah, I tomorrow is the last day of the pay period, so I do actually have to get some work done. Uh, all right. So yeah, we're just gonna be happy, I guess. Here, I guess let me make it update the thing to say we made affiliate. Sadly, I wasn't streaming when I got the first sub, and it did pop up a notification. It popped up a cool little notification. Like here, I'll do it. I'll do a test thing so I can see like it looked like this. Yeah, that one is not true though. It said you child just subscribed, and that was a real one. Uh, but this was just a test notification. So it is what it is. Shrink you out of the way. Anyway, yeah. So we are live. I think I might have to make a video how to use an Amazon Prime sub for a Twitch user, because it's not super clear and they don't auto renew. So unfortunately. Oh, Ant, hey, welcome. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have two recording locations. So this is my CBT Nuggets, my day job one. I mean, you can kind of see all the monitors back there. That's my other one. And on the screen here, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner, that's my main monitor, where I like do the recording. And then right below that, which is now just a big blue screen, is my Wacom tablet. So that's like if I'm doing slides and stuff, they end up right there. And yeah, I just use this. I just let this play while I'm live streaming, or let this stream while I'm working. So anyway, but yeah, over there is my other place. I just do CBT Nugget stuff over here. But it's interesting. It's a Windows computer. Oh, gasp. It's a Windows computer, but it's a really powerful one. And so I can do the live stream, and this is just a separate GoPro camera with an HDMI capture card. And I actually use the same audio input for the live stream that I do for making content. But it just streams on this GoPro, and then I have another camera up there that I use for recording for CBT Nuggets. And I haven't had any issues with like performance drops or dropped frames or anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty slick. It's a pretty beefy. It's it's getting old now. It's an NVIDIA 3090 card, and I think enough of the things are GPU accelerated that it doesn't really crank away much at the computer's like processor. So like right now I have OBS running to record for CBT Nuggets, and it's using 0.5% of the CPU. So yeah. Yeah. So anyway, that's what, but yeah, I got Twitch affiliate status. Yeah. And it turns out you cannot sub with a Amazon Prime thing. You cannot sub to yourself. So, you finally dumped Windows about 2 years ago. Wow. I believe that. You know, it's funny. I think you're a Mac OS user. Hey, over there, that one over there is a Mac Studio, and it's awesome. I really like Mac OS. So the reason that I have Windows here is for a couple things. One, I like the way that I can use Auto Hotkey, the open source program Auto Hotkey, to change pen colors in Photoshop, which is a funny thing, but it's just something that I like to do. And then because I had it, I just liked the GPU acceleration for like what is the thing I use? DaVinci Resolve. I have DaVinci Resolve Studio, and the GPU acceleration seems to be pretty decent. I think things seem to compile or like render pretty quickly. I actually have the speed edit thing, and I don't like it. I don't use it. I just use a mouse. I found that it's been the best. But yeah, I don't use Windows for much else. That's actually a good thing for me here, because it's much easier for me to get distracted when I have Linux or Mac OS, running. But since I don't really do much on Windows, there's less to distract me. So yeah, it's a bonus. But anyway, yeah. So stick around if you want to learn more about being an associate cloud editor, I suppose, because that is what today is all about. Did a skill yesterday, and I have to do another skill today, and maybe one again tomorrow morning, because I would like to get paid. But yeah, pretty soon. So now that I'm an affiliate, I kind of feel like I should do a subathon. I've been wanting to do a subathon for a really long time, and I think it'd be fun. Like, hey, 48 hours of nonstop silly content or something, just to try to see if people would sub to the channel. I think that'd be fun. See if I can get people. Like, I know this guy Ant. I might get him to make a cameo and do some cool stuff during the subathon. Yeah. So, yeah. Ant, are you an affiliate on Twitch? Ant, are you? Twitch.tv Ant_Pruitt. Let's see. Well, it says that you are offline. Oh, no, not there. It looks like you have not been using Twitch much. I only really just started. You don't stream there yet. I do the multi-stream thing. Like I'm on YouTube and Twitch, and Facebook right now, but I specifically started on Twitch just because of the Amazon thing. Like, I know so many people with Amazon Prime, and a lot of them have no idea what Twitch is, much less using their free Amazon Prime Twitch subscription anywhere. So yeah, now I get to talk to all those people and say, hey, if you have Amazon Prime, how would you feel about subbing to my Twitch channel? And they don't make it easy, and they don't auto renew. So every month the person has to like resub with their free Prime subscription. It's really kind of annoying. So anyway, but yeah, I have lots of stuff to learn about Twitch. That's for sure. Okay, try. So what I like about the only multi-streaming thing that has been fun for me is using Restream.io, and only because of their chat integration. So like everything that we're chatting here, like you're on Twitch and you're chatting via Twitch. But if you were to go to my YouTube channel, you know, the live stream is there too, not my main one, right? This is on Inside the Brain of Sean. Then it copies over everyone's chats. So like everybody on all the platforms can literally chat with each other. And I think that's been the thing that makes it viable or whatever, is that ability to go back and forth. I stopped using it. Yeah, I have. So like I said, Restream, the only thing that I love about Restream is their chat integration. But I also have like Streamlabs and stuff. Streamlabs has their own web-based thing along with multi-streaming. Yeah, for the most part, I've always having YouTube people chat as well. But the nice thing again is that it can go both ways. So like, let me, can I log in? I don't even know if I can get there from here. Let's see. If I go to the YouTubes, and it's just Brain of Sean. Dun, 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 dun. I should be live. Yeah, so I'm live. You can go both ways. So like, oh, I'm a little behind, but I think, yeah. So I don't know if you can see this. It copies over all the stuff, and so like if I'm here and I say hi, then I should show up on Twitch as well. So like you should see on Twitch, it'll like the Restream bot like puts my comment there. So it's not perfect, but it works pretty good. Yeah, I have never had great luck with like multi-platform, but this does help. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know, and this like this live stream is one that I don't put on my main YouTube channel. The only one I put on my main YouTube channel is a Sunday afternoon live streams, and I've been doing that for years. But for those years, I've always multi-streamed to Twitch, and same story. I got very little interaction. And now I've been kind of focusing on trying to get affiliate status, which literally happened less than an hour ago. And so got more engagement there. It is funny that, and now, I mean, if you look, there's like, let's see, is anybody on YouTube? That thing on the top didn't, yeah, so there's 2 people watching the stream from YouTube and 6 from Twitch. So I don't know if it's just a matter of where I look or where I focus on the people are. I don't know. It is what it is. But anyway, so yeah, regardless, thanks for stopping by, Ant. And hey, if you're an Amazon Prime subscriber, I encourage you to use that free sub if you're not already using it to subscribe to my Twitch channel. Oh, another sub. That means, yeah, I won't call out your name, but 12th position, I know who you are. Thank you very much for the subscription. And yeah, and cool, the little pop-up worked and everything. Look at this setup. It's so cool. The one that says Kevin subscribed, that was just me testing with the sample notification. That was not a real sub. But I have now 2 subs, and that means that 12th position, you are also one of the first 10 subscribers, which means you are a founding member. I think you get like a special badge. If you comment on Twitch, you get like this special badge. So way to gamify the world, Twitch. Yeah. So, yeah. All right, I'm curious now. I am not on a window that has... There, let's if you go to Sean Powers with a 0.live, that embeds the Twitch stream and the Twitch chat. So let's see if founding members do in fact get a different oh, there's an ad break now? What is that about? I don't think I ever had an ad break before. Oh, and I don't see past chat messages. Well, that's sad. All right, 12th position. I have to ask you to say something again just so I can see if you have a fancy badge. All right. And hey, thanks for stopping by, Ant. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, talk to you later. I got to work too, so I need to stop chatting. I'm just excited about getting affiliate status. That's fun for me. So, oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Do I have it? Yeah, I have it here. It's kind of small on that thing. Can I go full screen? I don't even know if I can go full screen. No, I don't have a full screen set up here for this stream. But yeah, if you can see that, 12th position now has a first founder, 1 month subscriber via Prime Gaming. So yeah, you have really cool things in the chat. So yeah, awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And now that's 2 subs. And so the subs cost $5 or free for, Amazon Prime subscribers. And it's a 50-50 split with Twitch, which I think is a little funny because Twitch is Amazon, and so they're just keeping half of the sub for themselves, but whatever. So that means $2.50 per sub. So now I have racked up $5 in Twitch revenue already. At this rate, that's like $10 an hour. So if I keep up at this current rate, I'm going to be a bajillionaire. No, but I appreciate that very, very much. And the process is kind of a pain in the butt. I'm probably going to have to make like a video, especially if people are not tech people. I might have to make a video about actually using a Twitch or an Amazon Prime sub, because like you have to go to gaming.amazon.com and then like link your account, and then you have to go to subscribe to a page, and then it's like this tiny little checkbox that is not easy to see. How to do a free Prime subscription, kind of a pain in the butt, and then they don't renew, which is annoying. But nonetheless, yes, thank you to everyone. I appreciate it. And now I'm gonna try to make myself work, even though I'm super excited. I'm gonna close that window. All right, yeah, I'm super excited, but anyway, okay, all right, Sean, go to work. Our next thing is deploying and implementing compute engine resources. Okay. Create an auto-scaled managed instance group. Okay. But I don't really know how to do those things, but that's all right. That's what we're here for. Courses. Whew, I can do it. I can figure it out because I am a professional. All right. So create skill, and this one, what was it called? Deploying and implementing complete compute engine resources. I'm just gonna copy and paste that. All right, create skill. What? Oh, it can't exceed 50 characters. Well, how do I know how many? How do I know when it's 50? Was it that close? It should tell me. Try that. Okay, apparently that was it. With virtual pieces, you can build any machine. All right. Intro. Next video. All right, next is gonna be. Let's just look at the. All right, next. Oh, why is it like that? launching compute, not computer, compute engine instance. Next video question. All right, next is configuring OS login and configuring VM manager. I don't even know what that means. Scale managed instance. Guess we should Google it. Scale instance template. All right, let's watch somebody else's video.
From idea to submission, empower students to do their best work with Grammarly's generative AI.
That was loud.
In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create an auto-scaled managed instance group from an instance template.
Yeah.
However, before I create the auto-scaled managed instance group, I need to first create an instance template.
Right, that's
to
the
create
thing.
an instance template, what I need to do is browse my GCP console and then go to the instance templates page.
Right, I know how to do that, but the template, does it include software install? Because otherwise, what, I'm just scaling up like brand new, fresh. All right, let's just look at it, I guess. Oh, down here. All right, yeah, we don't need you, we don't need you, we don't need you. All right, go to compute engine. Instance groups, templates. There we go, instant templates. All right. Bum, 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 bum. All right. How to... Oh. Right. I don't understand the point of it, though. Use deterministics. Oh, you can... Yeah, that's what I would want to do. Oh, you have to just create a bash script. Well... Autoscaler. Cool. Managed instance group. Okay. Oh, you can use a custom image. Okay. Okay. All right, I get it. Oh boy. Hmm. So I guess we make is a startup script a part of it? Let's look. Create an instance template. Mhm. General purpose. All right, yeah, I can use like A2 micro. That's cool. Sure. Display device? No, I don't. No, I wouldn't need that. All right. Okay. Oh, I could deploy a container image to this. Well, how does that work? Container image. So I can install Docker automatically and just have it run on this image? Okay. Well, then up here, let's see, compute, memory, storage, DP. No. On host maintenance, migrate VM, and compute performance to migrate your own other hardware for downtime. Okay, whatever. Firewall, advanced options. All right. Oh, now I want to just try it. Let's see. Container image. What is a container image that I would want to try? Let's go to hub.docker.com. And what can we search for? We could search for just caddy, I guess. See what we have caddy. All right. And it's just caddy. All right. So I'm going to just do that one just because. Caddy restart. Let's see. No, to access any system devices. Gonna run it as root. Specify the over on the default. Okay, no. Volume mounts. To use a mount directory. Well, what would I? Mount path. The path on the container file system, yeah. And then guest OS file system. Oh. Oh, right. Okay. Because it's going to install Docker. No, I want that. All right. No, let's just say we just ran that. Where does it? It doesn't say anything about ports though. I don't think that's useful. Container. Rest privilege. Okay. Oh, okay. So it automatically does container optimized OS. But what I don't get is there's no. Wait, do I need the command? No, that's not. Oh, wait, add arguments. Or container image. Each argument in a separate text box. Pass arguments to the container's entry. No. What I need is for it to like remap. I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right. Oh, maybe networking has something. IP. Oh no, I don't need IP forwarding. Okay. Network performance. No, I don't care about that. Network interfaces. It already has one. Right? It already has one. Yeah. Disks, additional disks, sultan saves. All right, let's just say create. Wait, is it still making it? Why can't I click on it? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, well, let's try to. Oh, okay. Using this template, we're gonna create a VM. Well, let's see what it does. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, it's all set. It's doing all the things. I mean, it should not give me any options, right? So, all right, I'll do create. See what happens. I guess we'll just see what we'll see. All right, so their instance template right there. Okay. You start up and we'll see what's happening inside, the thing is, I don't, by default, Docker doesn't remap networking ports. So like I can install a container, but I don't know. We'll see what it says. I guess, let's see. Google Cloud Platform, instance template, container port mapping. Check and expand advanced container options. Didn't I do that? Maybe I didn't do that. Don't need that. Host directory. Yeah. What about networking? Okay, here we go. VMs with containers use the host network mode, where a container shares the host. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. The problem is I don't know what port Caddy uses, so. All right. All right, so it uses host mode. I guess that makes sense. Let's see. It does use port 80. Very cool. All right, sweet. Well, that's nice. All right, and that'll work for an example, I think. Yeah, it should work fine. All right, first of all, let's get rid of all of these because we do not need them. And then we'll get rid of instance templates because we're going to have to make those all from scratch. And by have to, I mean get to, because that'll use up time. Oh, yeah. Instance templates deleted. Are they really gone? They should be. Yes. And VM instances should be gone. Now they're going. Going. They'll be gone. And then let's go and get rid of our load balancer. I don't know that it uses any resources, but it probably does. Loady McLoad face. We will get rid of you. I'll get rid of that too. All right. Let's see. Is there anything else we're going to do for that? I don't even remember. But we should be good. All right. All right. So we'll get that back. Very cool. I didn't need you at all, silly other YouTube person. All right. Okay. Assign disks. Availability policy. What is an availability policy? Oh. I bet that is talking about if it is spot. All right. Enable to use screen capturing and recording tools. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all fine. All right. Working. All right, security. Oh, here we go. SSH keys. Your SSH keys are generated automatically. All right. You cannot use these keys when IAM-based access is enabled. Oh. Okay. Enables OS login. Didn't it enable OS login anyway? This restricts VM access to users with the compute OS login. Oh, it limits that. Okay. All right. Not enabled. Okay. Add your own keys for VM access through a third-party tool. You cannot use these keys when IAM-based access is enabled. Oh, that's interesting. So you can only use one or the other, but not both. What is VM Manager? Compute Engine VM Manager. What is VM Manager? About VM Manager. VM Manager is a suite of tools that you can use to manage operating systems. Okay. Compute engine, you can manage operating systems that are running on your virtual machines. You can enable it for individuals or project for all projects to review the setup steps. Okay, after audit logs. Oh. Authentication, your identity verified to run. Okay. Okay. To create patch jobs, you need to grant users every. Okay. These permissions give them access to. Okay. Two options. Enable. Let's see. Apply to your entire Google Cloud project. You complete automatic enablement from the Google Cloud Console. You must still manually complete some steps per VM or for the entire Google. Okay. In your Google Cloud project, enable the OS config API. Each VM OS config agent is installed. You know how to install the OS. How would I know that? Okay, I don't need that. What I need to know is storage instinct scripts. Where is it's metadata. This is complicated. Oh, okay. Cool. If VM manager isn't enabled, then you install. Crap. Oh my gosh. Uh, VM manager. Oh, it's an API that has to be enabled at the. All right. Debate config agents on all the agents. Yeah. Okay, so that was there. Why didn't I see it then? Be a manager. It is there. Okay. Okay. Applies to your entire. How do I install? All right, let's try to create one, I guess. Oops, agent. Doesn't seem like the thing. Management. Metadata. And item. Ugh, there's a fly. All right. Enable OS config. All right, try that. It's not underscore. Well, son of a biscuit. All right. It's going to be down here, management. I don't know if that actually installs it though. Oh, it is monitored. Okay. VM running. Let's create an OS policy. No. Hmm. All right, all zones. This upgrade. Okay. Update. All right. One zone at a time. Do all the zones at once. Okay. Cool. Let's deploy it. See what happens. All right. Is it going? We created it. So where? Okay. How's it going? Pat. Jobs run. Oh, there. Oh, job executing. All right. Cool. Job schedules. Okay. This is actually kind of cool. But I want to know if it works. Wait, start time, end time. It says it's executing. Do. Take its OS version. I don't know what that means. Still 50% complete. Okay. That's cool. Ooh, oh, this is pretty sweet. All right, well, that is going to be just fine. All right. Let's see. Compute Engine OS login. All right. Use OS login to manage SSH access to your instance using whatever create manage and OS login maintains a consistent Linux user identity across instances. Users. Okay. SSH access management. By linking your Linux user account to your Google identity, administrators can easily manage access to instances at either an instance or project level. You can directly tie a Linux user account to a user's Google identity, and the same Linux account information is used across all instances. Okay. Find grant authorization. Okay. User permissions to log in. It's triple checks. Okay. When OS login, Compute Engine performs configurations on VMs and the Google accounts. Okay. Google provided public images include utilities and components to manage VM access. When you enable OS login, deletes the VM's authorized keys. Okay, configures all keys. This command retrieves the SSH keys to authenticate the login. Can configure an authorized keys file to provision access for local user account even when OS login is enabled. When configured, SSH public keys configured in the authorized keys files are used to authenticate the user. Attempted by local user. Local user accounts must have a username different than the ones by. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Connect to it. Using connect. So you go to CLI. Import a public SSH key. Or using OS login. OS login configures accounts. Username. Oh. Enable security keys with OS. Oh, no. Okay. Use login to accept the keys. Can associate a public SSH key. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Let's see. Is this finished? It should be finished. Gotta think it's finished by now. Still says job executing. Okay, that seems weird. That seems like it's taking too long. Okay, why is it taking so long? I don't understand why this is taking so long, though. All right. Well, really taking a long time. Oh. That's some kind of joke. Yeah. Pseudo. Oh, yeah, it really is still running. That just seems bizarre. All right, patch management. And monitoring PMs. Ugh, so frustrating. All right. Ugh. All right, all right, all right. I am. Yeah. I am not a fan of how slow the patch system seems to be. Compute engine. Patch. I just don't get it. Why is it taking so stinking long? Okay. What else does VM Manager do? Well, it's policies. Hold on. Does VM Manager patch run apt update? Retrieve updates, yeah. Patch compliance backend, period. What's Linux admin's favorite hangout place? The foobar. Ha 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 ha. Oh man, do we even have sysadmins anymore? I don't even know. I kind of feel like everybody thinks no, but then they'll be like, "All right, then log into the console and do this." I'm like, "See, I told you you needed to be a Linux admin to do stuff." All right, Debian. Huh. Highest severity data. Oh, so it runs apt-get update every 10 minutes, and I didn't give it that long. Okay. It doesn't explain why it didn't finish, but it sure is doing something. Scrap. App install. So it's just taking that long to install it? What's running Python 3? What is Python 3 even doing? Let's see. User bin, SDK, components, post-process, force recompile. Cloud SDK, Cloud PY, components, post-process, force recompile. Recompile of what? Google Cloud SDK. Oh, maybe it's updating that. That's so weird. Unattended, upgraded, shutdown, waiting for. Okay, so it's using Python to do the upgrades, I guess. All right. All right. That's what it is, what it is. All right, hold on. I got a text message. Okay. Still trying to work. I can stop to cook dinner if need be. What should I do when? All right. Looks like I'm gonna have to make dinner. I guess this is gonna be. I'm just gonna let that run, but I guess this isn't gonna be too much. So OS login. I guess that's the thing I gotta learn more about. So let's look at OS login. Create an instance. All right. Advanced options. VM access. By default, when you connect to a VM using your SSH keys. Okay. Link VM access to users IAM role. Okay. Metadata. Management default uses all Windows views. Okay. All right. Okay, where is, let's see, I don't think it'll show it, but let's go. All right. So if I add that key, will it be just for me? Hee hee hee. I'm such a poet. All right, I do have to go actually pretty quick though, because I'm going to have to make dinner for everyone. My mother-in-law is visiting. Don't need that, don't need that. Okay, come on, start quickly. All right, it started. So connect me SSH. Does this automatically do it? It looks like that does still allow me to go in. All right, but then what is in? Oop. Okay, it did. It created S power, so I should be able to. Did I just? Yeah, okay. So now, if I were to just SSH in, let's try SSH 34.172. Wow. Okay. Can I still do? Wow. Wow. All right. All right. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So I can add that, but I can still log in the other way too. That is pretty awesome. Does it delete that if I leave? Well, it's still there. All right. That's still pretty cool. All right, so that will work. OS login. Okay. And then VM manager. It probably does not show up, right? Because I did not install the OS manager. Let's see. Agent is not installed. All right. Okay. But if I go back to the VM instances, I come in here and I edit it. And I go down to management, metadata, and it was enable OS config true. If I do that, come on, you can do it. I'll be so happy if this solves it. Okay. All right. So now, is it gonna be there if I go to patches? Oh, look at that. Oh, and it says one is up to date. Oh, does that mean that it's done running the job finally? Successfully completed the update. All right. All right, job schedules. All right, let's create a patch job and just see what we can do. All right. By filters. So zones is gonna be the zones. Oh, I want US Central, all of them. All right. No filtering. Yup. All right, and they're here, so I'm gonna do dist upgrade. Start now. Number of VMs. Maximum number of VM instances per zone. Okay. All right, it's running. Pending. What does that mean? Why does it say pending? Let's look at logs. The zones, What's the zones? These are the zones of the ocean blue. All right. Pending. Why is it pending? Status running. All right, PSAX grab apt. Oh, okay. Okay, it is installing. Cool, cool, cool. And is that what it says here? Ah, there we go. Oh, it did that one quickly because it was already patched. There was nothing to patch. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. I got this then. Yeah. So let's set the skill up and then go from. Oh, what happened to my. I was over here. All right. Okay. I don't know why that failed. All right. Launching compute engine instance. Yeah. I don't know that I can do it in that order though, because I'll need to configuring OS login. If hey Milbert, girl, probably need to go outside, huh? All right, I think I got this. I'm gonna have to go do dinner. Thanks for tuning in and watching, everybody, and who's just idle, everybody idle, and I appreciate it very much. And I hope you can tune in tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. I will be drawing my comic. I'm super stoked about that. Yeah, and